Hello there, and welcome to another edition of Fox Focus. This is Case or No Case. I'm Andrea Williams, and I'm being joined by my friend, attorney Jeff Pitman from PKSD Law Firm. How are you, Jeff?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm doing well, and it never fails. You're here to test our knowledge of the law, and today is no different, right?
I've got a good test for you. So you've got a home in Florida, and we're getting to that time of year that you're going to be a snowbird, and you're going to go down to Florida, and you're going to leave your son at home, and he's going to wash the house for you. He's an adult, but you give him permission to use your car for grocery shopping, errands, things like that. He's going to the grocery store. He ends up running a red light, crashes into another car, seriously injures the other driver. Case or no case against your insurance company, he's not on your policy for auto or homeowners. Case or no case?
Well, I'm guessing because he's not on the policy, there's no case.
Probably a case. And there's two reasons. Number one, he's a member of your household, so he's probably covered by your auto insurance for that reason. And number two, he's a permissive user, and under your auto insurance, if you give him permission to use the car, then there's coverage. So there's probably a case in this scenario.
Great information as always. And remember, if you ever have a question, just dial the 333-3333 for the PKSD guarantee.